Hello, students. Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is setting up the board and programming for IoT step. Also, we have to do it. We have to learn it. For this, we need development board. What is development board? What for this? A development board is an electronic board that contains a microcontroller or microprocessor used to build and test IoT applications to do IoT prototype projects. For example, take Arduino Uno or ESP32 or Raspberry Pi process. Then we have to install the software. What software I will mention here? IDE. What is the full form of IDE software? Integrated Development Environment Software. So before programming, what you have to do? You have to install the required IDE program, that is Integrated Development Environment Software, on your laptop. Example, Arduino IDE software for Arduino and ESP32 boards we have to install. After that, we have to connect the board. Procedure is connect the board to the computer using USB cable and select the correct board type. Enable it, which is available on the screen. And communication port, COM port in the IDE is there. That also you have to enable it. That is once again explaining here in the example. Connect ESP32 to a laptop using a USB cable. Some information can be seen on the screen for configuration purpose. So now configuration of the board procedure, we will check it. Configure the board settings such as board model, you have to mention processor and communication port, COM port, before uploading the program. Example, ESP32 డెవలప్ మాడ్యూల్ ఉన్న కాడ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎనేబులింగ్ చేయాలి చెక్ బాక్స్లో. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ COM5 communication port, that you have to enable it, check it in Arduino IDE. IDE is the software. Then you have to test the board. For that, upload a simple program to verify the board is working properly or not. A simple program is nothing but a how to blink LED every second. That we have to check it now. Upload the blink LED program first. If the LED blinks, the board is ready for IoT development and IoT prototype projects. For that, programming procedure we have to follow as follows. Writing the program. Write the program using C++ language or Python program to control sensors and actuators. These are the IoT devices. Example, blinking program to blink an LED every second, or if you want 2 seconds once, if we divide with blinks, it's well and good only. Then what we have to do after selecting time, 1 second, compile, we have to compile the program. So the software IDE checks the program for syntax errors. If everything is okay, then it will convert into mission code that the board can understand. Then only board can understand after converting into mission code. For that purpose, what you have to do here, click the verify button on the screen in Arduino IDE software. After that only, you have to uploading the program should be done. After successful compilation, upload the program to the development board through the USB cable. That's all. For that, example is given here. Click the upload button, then only transfer the code to the ESP32. Then we have to execute it. That is called running and monitoring. Once uploaded, the board executes the program automatically. The serial number you have to mention here. The serial number can be used to view the output and debug the program can be done. That's all. Okay, bye.